Nina was a young artist with a love for painting vibrant, abstract pieces. One day, she noticed her neighbor, Mrs. Grant, an elderly woman who lived alone, watching her through the window. Nina decided to invite her over to see her latest work. Mrs. Grant hesitated but eventually agreed. As they walked through Nina's small studio, Mrs. Grant smiled and shared stories about her younger years, when she had loved to paint but stopped after her family discouraged her. Nina listened, inspired by the memories hidden in Mrs. Grant's words. The next day, Nina brought a small canvas and paints to Mrs. Grant's home. "It's never too late," Nina said with a warm smile. Mrs. Grant, surprised but touched, picked up a brush, and soon they spent afternoons painting together. They shared stories, laughed, and in those quiet hours, a friendship blossomed. As the weeks passed, Mrs. Grant's health began to improve, her spirits lifted by the joy of creating again. Nina's small gesture of kindness had brightened Mrs. Grant's life, and their bond became a source of comfort and joy for them both. Moral of the story: small acts of kindness can create profound changes in someone's life, offering joy, comfort, and connection in unexpected ways.